Pumpkin seeds are the seeds that grow inside pumpkins. They provide protein, unsaturated fat, fiber, magnesium, antioxidants, and more. Pumpkin seeds can be enjoyed as a snack, as a recipe ingredient, or in a variety of products, including pumpkin seed tofu, pumpkin seed butter, and pumpkin seed protein powder. Here's more about pumpkin seeds' health benefits and nutrition, as well as ways to eat them. Pumpkin seeds are loaded with nutrients that are needed to help you function. On top of the nutritional benefits pumpkin seeds provide, there might also be some direct health benefits of consuming the seeds. Pumpkin seeds contain antioxidants including phenols and flavonoids. Phenols help fend off cell-damaging compounds in the body, which may protect against aging and disease. Flavonoids have been linked to a broad spectrum of health-promoting effects, including protection against cancer, artery hardening, and Alzheimer's disease. These antioxidant effects may be even greater with roasted pumpkin seeds. Research shows that, after roasting, pumpkin seeds have more phenols and flavonoids. Can reduce breast cancer risk. Phytoestrogens are natural compounds in some foods, like pumpkin seeds, that are similar to the hormone estrogen. A German study among postmenopausal women looked at the association of phytoestrogen-rich foods and breast cancer risk. The researchers collected data from more than 8,000 women and concluded that the consumption of foods with phytoestrogens, including pumpkin seeds, was associated with significantly reduced breast cancer risk. Tips for consuming. When they are shelled, they are white. When they are without a shell, they appear green. In either form, pumpkin seeds can be enjoyed. But there are plenty of other ways to eat pumpkin seeds and reap their benefits. Roast shelled pumpkin seeds. Sprinkle pumpkin seeds onto oatmeal or overnight oats, yogurt, avocado toast, or fruit salad. Add them to salads or as a garnish for slaw, hummus, cooked vegetables, soups, and stir-fries. Whip pumpkin seed protein into smoothies, blended soups, or mashed cauliflower to boost the protein content. Incorporate pumpkin seed butter into pesto, sauces, smoothies, energy balls, or baked goods. If you eat shelled pumpkin seeds, make sure to drink plenty of water to help your digestive system process their fiber content. While extremely rare, there have been a couple of reports of men experiencing intestinal blockages after consuming large quantities of pumpkin seeds in the shell.